Okay, I wasn't planning on doing a on-the-spot review, but Eric said that IKEA had a candy display, and that gave me an idea to review a bunch of candy for you guys. So this came out to like $2.40 without tax. So I figured I'd review some of the candy. Hold the camera for a second so I can take it out of the bag. Let's see. First up, let's try this piece of brownie flavored fudge. This is the only chocolate. Not great. Kind of tastes like a fudge brownie, and it's chewy like a fudge brownie, but other than that, it's well, the texture's a bit off. Let's see what else we got here. This is a lemon rhubarb thing. Never had rhubarb in my life, so this should be an experience. Very chewy. The inside's flavorful. But the outside's like a stale Twizzler. Oh, I forgot to rate the brownie. The brownie only gets like a 3. And so does this. This gets a 3. Both like low 3s, like middle of the road 3s. Here's a fizzy roll. That's what it's called.
Probably gonna have to eat the whole thing. It's supposed to unravel it, I think. Like a fruit by the foot.
Or bubble tape. Wow, that's sour. No, I don't like that one at all. Like, I'm gonna throw it out. That is way too sweet. The sweetness and the sourness don't play well at all. I give that a very low 2, almost a 1 and done. Then we got these tiny little forest berries. Try the red one first. These are okay. Those are okay. I give them a high 3. Sour Skull. Nothing much to be said. Except that's terrible. That is gonna get a 1 and done. Let me throw that out too. Let me try this. This is a Rambo Cola. Got a bunch of Rambo flavored items. Mmm. It's good.
That's the best one.
Best one so far. That gets a 5 out of 5. Let's try another one of these Rambos. The Rambo Twist.
Smell that.
What?
I can smell it. It's very fruity.
I don't know about this one. Has the same chewy consistency of the Rambo Cola, but a little bit of peppermint fruity flavor. Yeah, I don't know. I guess low 3. High 2 maybe? Yeah, high 2. Let me spit it out. Alright, this is a Rambo Crunchy Strawberry. You know me, I don't really like strawberry flavored things, but this is good. I'm gonna give it a low 4. Last of the Rambo flavored things. This is a Rambo Watermelon, or watermelon, if you don't speak fine. Well, it may be the smallest of the Rambo flavors, but it packs the most flavor. I give that a 5 as well. And this is a sour apple strawberry. I don't know what it was called, but I got this one last because I like sour apple. But I do not like this. I'm not gonna. It's okay, but it is way too sour. I'm gonna give that a 2 again. So, overall, the candy at IKEA, they had a bunch of other stuff, but these were the weird ones that I decided to try. The Rambo Cola and most of the Rambo stuff was anything that said Rambo on it, go out and try it. On average, I give the IKEA candy a 3, a high 3. Anyways, I don't think I'm going to be doing any more food reviews until I get back from camp. But if I see anything cool tomorrow, I'll review it. But I don't think I'm going to, because tomorrow I'm picking up a drink for camp. But I'm going to 7-Eleven, so maybe I'll see something cool there. If I don't, I'll see you in like a week. Don't forget to subscribe. You'll be glad you did.